Hey guys, welcome to Traveling on the Go. I'm sitting here in Argentina, not far away from Brazil. Let's get into this. It's insane. What if I told you there's a place where 275 waterfalls crash into Earth at once, louder than a thunderstorm and wilder than any movie? Welcome to Iguazú Falls, a living jungle that feels like Jurassic Park. I hiked through dense rainforest trails, stood at the edge of the Devil's Throat, and got soaked under 13 million liters of falling water per second. It's not just a sight. It's a full-body experience that shakes your senses. But which trail truly stuns? Therefore, we'll explore the Superior, Lower, and Devil's Throat circuits and ride straight into the falls by boat. Which side wins? Brazil's epic views or Argentina's raw power? And finally, is Iguazú Falls actually worth it or just hype? Let's find out. This is Traveling on the Go. So I'm getting close to the Devil's Throat here in this amazing national park as you look around. Whoa. And we're gonna see what we can find here. There are some people here. It's not exactly like I'm all alone at all. You take a train to get here once you get into the national park. Probably takes around 20 minutes. Then you have a nice walk. You're kind of going over these bridges for probably about 15 or 20 minutes. And let's see what we find. There's another bridge right over there that's fallen apart, but the water level is pretty high right now. Whoa, so we have just about made it to the Devil's Throat. I'm gonna flip it around here. Man, there's mist everywhere shooting up on all sides. Okay, let's flip it around so we can see. Whoa. Way better if you're here. Let's go forward. They're absolutely amazing. I've never seen Niagara Falls before, but this is absolutely magical. Birds flying in the center nonstop. There's some birds down below that nest underneath the waterfalls. And there's a small little house over here. Kind of a resort. Kind of curious what that is. But man. So this is the Devil's Throat, or kind of the upper circuit. There's 3 circuits here in this national park. Definitely come in the morning, come on a weekday if you can, and definitely check the weather forecast before you get here. Run out onto the walkways. You can get here before most of the crowd, but it's controlled because so many people can get on the train and that's it. In about an hour or so, the next train comes. Now this is not the most visited national park in South America. That would be Machu Picchu, but this one is very close. It's the second or third It's absolutely gigantic, mesmerizing. It's bigger than Niagara Falls in the United States and Canada. And I mean, it just keeps going. If you like hiking, if you like trekking around, this is a place you definitely need to come. I don't know if you guys can see, look straight ahead. Hey, we got some visitors. Oh man, what's going on? Hello. Wow. I don't know what to do with these guys. Wow. Whoa. So the Superior Falls, Superior Circuit, whatever you want to say, pretty cool when you come up here. Now this is not over the water, but man, what a view. It just keeps going and going. You look below, you can see some boats down there around $75. You can go right into the waterfall on the water. But man, this looks like something out of Jurassic Park. Got that vibe. The sun is out. It was raining before, but now it is picturesque. Blue skies. Let's keep it going for the rest of the day, hopefully. So the big question is it worth coming here to this national park? I would say so far, yeah, this is pretty amazing. For the biggest waterfall system in the world, you're looking at the #1 right there. I think it's hard to pass up. $45 used to be a little bit cheaper, but definitely worth the wait, I think. The Diablo's throat was amazing, way bigger than Niagara Falls. That's what I'm hearing. And then let's come up on this. Let's go. So the national park and the grounds, this is all a UNESCO heritage site. Now the name Iguazú Falls actually means basically big water, big waterfall in the native language in the region. All this water is going to create a lot of power, and it's a major power source for electricity among the people in the region and for some of the bigger cities. So when you come here, there's actually two sides to this major waterfall system. Some in Brazil and most of it in Argentina. I would say right now the best is probably in Argentina. You're going to see a lot more, but I heard Brazil's still pretty good. So what I've been reading and just what I hear, this is the best place for waterfalls in the world, just because there's so many of them, 275 individual waterfalls, making it, I would think, the epicenter for all waterfalls in the world. So the lower circuit, this kind of wraps around. Looks like it's going to be a little bit longer. Going to bring you down to the bottom, obviously the lower. I'm doing this last, so we'll see how this turns out. So my tour guide was saying before when we were taking the boat ride that normally in December it hits over 100 degrees on average, sometimes over 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 44 degrees Celsius. But right now it's a lot cooler. It's a lot different, way better for everybody. Between October and March, apparently Argentina and parts of Brazil get 85% of their water, the rainfall, during those months. So I'm gonna give you the good and the bad. The good is really good. This is absolutely breathtaking, phenomenal, spectacular, whatever you want to say. The bad thing, I don't think you can go see another waterfall ever again. Oh my goodness. And take it seriously once you've seen all these. They just keep going and going, birds flying around. Literally, this looks like CGI. Look at some of this. Wow. Wow. So you're up here in the canopy, looking down on the water, absolutely phenomenal. A lot of tree cover canopy. It's not too hot. I mean, you're gonna sweat a bit, but it's definitely cooler than you think it would be. And I mean, look at this. It's late in the day, approaching 5 p.m. The park closes at 6, but really it's thinning out. There's not many people here. I think at 5 o'clock here, this may be one of the prettiest times. The mist is kind of reflecting with the sunlight. We got the blue sky, we locked out there, and it's just making it that much better, kind of like movie-esque in a way, yeah? I'm literally trying just to get out of here, and I can't turn around without hitting another epic waterfall. We got the sunset in the back. Man, just a really good day. And it keeps just getting better around every corner. I'm saying that too much. Whoa. So a 9 out of 10 for the lower circuit. But more importantly, let's move on to my favorite part, the boat ride into the falls. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Now you're gonna get a dry bag when you pay for the ticket to put all your stuff in. Definitely change your clothes. And we started out, I did not know what to expect, but right away I knew that we were in for it, and it only gets better from here.
Absolutely drenched. That was worth every penny. Man. Oh. Wow, okay.
Hey guys, welcome to the Brazil side of the falls, Iguazu Falls. Absolutely amazing. The Argentinian side, I have a feeling it's going to be better, but I'm going to give you the other side of it. About 20% of the waterfalls on the Brazil side. Pretty easy to get in here, $24 to get in this side. If you flip it around, really pretty hotel looking down here. So you come over here, maybe you can stay there. But let's go. So I can understand the Brazilian flag ever since I've really been in Argentina and Brazil. You got the green and that light blue, the sky. I don't know if you can see the sky. And that's what you see every day. This vivid green and this light, bright blue. And it makes perfect sense for the Brazilian flag. A little bit of the Argentinian flag too. I mean, that's what you see, blue and green just everywhere. So on the Brazilian side so far, you're gonna be in the shade for quite a while, especially it's about 10 a.m. You can feel the mist of the waterfall coming up, that light mist. Ooh, really pretty. Just absolutely gorgeous again. Hey guys, so welcome to the Brazil side of the waterfall. Epic rainbow down below. You can watch the boats shoot under the waterfall, but you can't really do on the Argentinian side. And I mean, take a look. Whoa. Wow, look at that. Okay, we're not going with a raincoat or poncho. We're gonna go out into it. It's maybe stupid. We're gonna test the mic, DJI mic, the Osmo 3 here. It's kind of blowing mist, but it's really warm outside. Probably close to 85 or 90 degrees. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, we're feeling the mist now. Oh yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Let's see how the camera's doing. Ooh, love it. Love it. Not horrible so far. I am a little bit wet. We're gonna get away from it just a bit. And then we're gonna go out to the gauntlet over there. I'm gonna probably get soaked, but you know what? Who the hell cares? Whoa, look at this. Man. I have to say the Brazil side for this is worth it. I didn't think it was gonna be, oh man. Woo! Wow, let's flip it around. Is it wet? Yes, it is. Is it worth it? Yeah, for sure. Definitely come out here. Oh man, this side's a bit cheaper too. Good payoff at the bottom. Come at like 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon when it's hot. Woo. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Now normally on the Argentinian side, you're up. But down here, you're right in the thick of it. Wow. Woo. Woo. Let's go, man. Wow. You gotta do it. You gotta go all the way out, yeah, no matter what. All right, we made it into the center. Look at that. Well worth it. A little damp, not horrible right now. Yeah, it's worth it. Woo. Whoa. So am I wet? Yes. I'm not drenched, but I am wet. Very cool though, man. You're out there in the middle of nowhere just getting hit. So if you're thinking about coming to this waterfall, the 3 circuits, man, definitely come. Obviously look for the weather reports and make sure it's clear. It's not gonna be raining the whole time. Even if it was raining a bit, it might come anyway. Man, it's really phenomenal. Obviously the sun helps, but yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm going to end with a little bit of AI that I've been using over the falls. You never know unless you try. Definitely watch some of my other videos, like the one in Dubai and a lot of other places, also like Colombia. I'm out of here, guys. Take care.